And we're coming to the end of the Christmas unpacking. Just one more box to go. This was another purchase from MadeMe.co.uk, and this one comes from Casa Candles. It's a wax melt burner that I have purchased for one of my daughters. I'm not going to say which one. Okay, so this is the last present in the MadeMe Christmas shopping. It comes from Casa Candles, and it's a wax melt burner. And this one is a tea light version. Simple. You put your wax melt in the top, your tea light in the bottom, and you're good to go. So I just bought that, but she's even put in a little wax melt to go with it. We got a little guide in the box from Casa Candles on wax melt care guide. They actually make soy melts as well, but I didn't buy the melts. I only bought the burner. I'll put the Casa Candles details in the description below. Thank you for joining us on this series of Christmas present unboxings. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you would like some other content, join us on patreon.com for patterns, workshops, craft and chats, and our new video series that's coming up, which are video patterns and chat shows with crochet designers with varying topics that we will talk about each month. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. If you've enjoyed these and you would like to do that again, ta-da! I'm done.